Menteri Keterangan Kekoi Khaya Barim Jong ke Sorkar Jelau Badairu Nongilam Jong ke BGP Uba Hek Lokentu ya ke Sorkar Jelau Bakan Pendep ya ke Jingtai Boper Jong ke Prefab Badru Ban Kentiu Kerdan Ru ya ki Wede ke Jingtai ni ke Jingpen Kre Jong Keterangan Kekoi Khaya Yo Bakan Wan Ling Shop Biang ke Covid ya ke Jelah Uba Hek Habai Kren Bat Kilar Thai Kubor Luong Babaro ke Jingdonkam Kiladei Ban Long ki Biang Lepa Nadong Shadong Yo Bakan Jelah kan Ktah Biang ha ke Covid ba onla ban pynbiang pai ba ban ai ke sikri ha ka bai dei bat ka koi ka khya.
See, the prefab construction is not initiated directly from the health department. It is initiated from the chief minister's office only, not from the health, directly from the department of health.
But
This prefab construction, just go and check. This is not directly from the health department.
But how do you see the entire situation? Should it have been constructed by now for the benefit of the people? Say
Because
there's
at
another surge of COVID comes. That we
fourth wave comes.
From the day one only, we told that infrastructure has to be ready. If you don't ready the infrastructure, if any surge come, how will accommodate people? How will give service or health services to the people?